So I just bought a 2017 F-150 Raptor. Love this thing, it's a beast. But when I bought it, I didn't get the security key. So I can't have keys made, or I'd have to pay to go have keys made, and I need that key to change like the locks on the doors and things. So instead of paying Ford to go give me the key that they already have, I'm going to show you an easy way to find it yourself. So the first thing you want to do is I'm going to be using this retainer clip and fastener remover. And I'm not going to be using the clips, but I'm going to be using these wedges here in just a second. I'll put a description in or a link in the description so you can find it if you need it. But the reason I like it is all these little plastic clips. They're really nice when you have to pull these parts off, and you don't have to use a screwdriver and tear something up. But you just kind of, once you get started, you just kind of pull up on it. Well, I say that. There we go. And this last one here is kind of tricky sometimes. All right. And I just want to show you, they're just little push-in clips. But so you just kind of give them a little force and they come right out. I'll set this out of the way here. Then the next part you got to get off is the side panel. It's a little trickier, and I'll show you. So next, what we're going to do is take off this panel right here, and this little side panel. And they use the same kind of clips, just the same kind of clips as these right here. So what we do is just kind of lift. You got one come off right there. Just want to be careful to pull straight back. And that's where I like to use these clips. Get back behind the door here. Yep. Try from the top. There it goes. And that's where these clips are nice. They don't scratch the plastic like a screwdriver would. And then just kind of wiggle it and get your hands back behind there. This one back here is just a little clip back here. You can just kind of pull. That just comes off. There we go. So it helps pull this one off first. Now we know. So now from the passenger door, looking in the passenger door, this is what you got. And your little key code is on a sticker right back here. So if I pull this, move this wire, that little sticker right there, that is your key code. On the bottom down there, it'll tell you what it is. Of course, I don't want to zoom mine in there because I don't want you to know what my key code is. But all you got to do, you can't see it with your eyes. So what I had to do is kind of slide my camera real close and get a certain angle, and then zoom in and take a picture, and I was able to get my key code. You'll see on the top of the sticker, on the very top of the sticker, right by that barcode, is a 5-digit number. That is not the key code. The key code is down towards the bottom, and it'll say it'll say security key, and it'll be 5 digits. And so just take a picture of that, and then you put all the stuff back together, and now I'll show you how to find out if it works or not. All right, now that you've found your security key and you're inside the cab of your truck with your key fob in the truck, you're going to hit the start engine button one time, but keep your foot off of the brake pedal. We're not trying to start the engine. Then you're going to come to your control panel here. You're going to hit settings. You're going to scroll one time to vehicle. You can hit door keypad code. And then right here is where you're going to put in your security key that you just looked up. I'm going to hide the numbers so you don't see what mine is, but then you hit enter. And then it's going to give you how would you like to edit the door keypad code. If you get to this point, that means it worked. If you put your numbers in and it tells you the security code's not good, then you you're probably either reading the wrong number, or I don't know why else it wouldn't work. It should work. I mean, it's the factory code. But just make sure when you're looking at that sticker, it's not the top 5 numbers, it's the bottom 5 numbers. It'll say security key and then 5 numbers. And then once you do that, you can start changing the locks on your doors, and you're good to go. So hopefully this saved you some money and keeps you from having to go forward to get a security key that was already in your truck. And you're able to program your locks. And if this helped you out, hit that like button, hammer the subscribe button, and leave a comment if you got any other tips or tricks. And just let me know how this worked out for you. All right, get out there, tear it up.